Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Mimi. So in this video we will talk about hair rinses. What are hair rinses? How do we make them? Why do we need them, and what are the benefits? So if you want to know more about hair rinse, then keep on watching. So let's begin with what is a hair rinse. Now a hair rinse is like the final step in your hair washing process. When we wash our hair, what do we use? We use shampoo, conditioner, sometimes we use hair mask, and after all of these comes hair rinse, which is like the final process. And after hair rinse, you don't apply anything to your hair. Next is, why do we need them? So when do we usually wash our hair? When our hair gets dirty and oily, and when our scalp gets oily, it gets acidic, because our scalp is just an extension of our facial skin. And the shampoos we use on our scalp, both sulfate and sulfate free, are alkalic. That makes our scalp alkalic, so neither acidic nor alkalic state is ideal for our scalp. So what a hair rinse does is it brings our scalp back to the normal pH level. So it balances the pH level on our scalp. That can prevent a lot of scalp issues and scalp problems. And apart from that, it also helps us to get rid of dandruff, itchiness, red bumps, and also it acts as a natural conditioner or moisturizer to our scalp and our hair. So next is, how do we make them? Now hair rinses can be prepared in two ways. One is the manual process and the second is the ready-made or store-bought process. Now let's say you want to make it manually. So if you want to make your hair rinse by yourself, you need to have access to some medicinal plants such as tulsi, neem, mint, rosemary, lavender, etc. So how do we make them? With these leaves, take some water and put it to boil, and the moment the water starts boiling, turn the gas off and take some leaves of these plants. Like tulsi is easily available in everybody's home. If you also have neem plant or neem tree in your home, or rosemary, lavender, take some leaves or some small branches of these plants and put it into the hot water. Remember, don't boil the leaves with the hot water. Turn the gas down and then put the leaves into the water, because you need to infuse the leaves into the hot water. Don't boil them. So and when the water comes down to the room temperature, then filter it, take the leaves out, and the water you have, you can use it as your hair rinse. Next is the ready-made or store-bought process, and the one most popular in that is using apple cider vinegar. I have mentioned it to you guys 1,000 times before. I know that, because I absolutely love it and use it every time I wash my hair. Some people get intimidated with the word vinegar and wonder if using a vinegar on our hair is safe. Apple cider vinegar is absolutely safe for our skin and our hair, especially the ones that contains mother in it. So how do we use it? Take 1 to 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar in a mug of water, mix it and use it as your hair rinse. Also, if you don't want to use apple cider vinegar as your hair rinse, and also if you don't have access to those medicinal plants, you can use essential oils instead of them, because they work absolutely as good as an apple cider vinegar or those medicinal plants. And for essential oils, you can definitely use lavender essential oil or tea tree essential oil to make your hair rinse. Just take 2 to 3 drops of these essential oils in your mug of water, mix it and use it as your hair rinse. Rosemary, lavender, tea tree essential oils, they have different kinds of benefits for our scalp and our skin as well, starting from inflammation, redness, irritation, dandruff, and the list goes on. Another benefit of using hair rinse is that it helps to get rid of build-up on your hair, especially if you have low porosity hair and if you use different kind of hair products like different shampoos, hair mask, conditioner, styling spray, heat protectant spray, serums and stuff like that on your hair. They can leave build-up on your hair, which will weigh down your hair, and your hair won't look as much voluminous as it is supposed to. using a hair rinse can help you to break down and get rid of all those buildups so that your hair will get back its volume. So I hope the video was helpful to you guys and you will use a hair rinse in your shower routine if you don't already. So give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll talk to you guys later in my next video. Bye.